ThinkPad. So let's have a look at the box first. Here we are, we have a Transcend equipped with DDR3 DRAM cache. It's supposed to be ultra slim. It's got 7mm form factor. It's got a disk monitoring cloning software. It's 2.5 inch and the full model name is Transcend Solid State Drive SSD 340, and it also includes the 3.5 inch bracket. It's got 64 GB of storage on it. Now looking on the side of the box, we have, it's supposed to be shockproof. Obviously it's going to be shockproof because it's a solid state hard drive. It's got silent operation, lower power consumption. Obviously that's going to be a fact with solid state drive. It's got trim support, essential if you're using Windows 7, Windows 8 as well, and Windows Vista. And on the back it's got a list of basically how much it weighs. So it's 52 kilograms. It tells you the operating temperature, has a certificate, and then it tells you it's a solid state drive. Packaging off. Now let's see what's inside. So as you can see, I've ripped it kind of hurriedly, but who cares. We've got obviously the warranty card. It comes with a 3 years warranty, so good to keep a hold on this. We also have a quick installation guide for a 2.5 desktop upgrade. Basically in here we've got like how to install the screws. So if you're not you're a novice, not like me myself obviously, but if you're a novice, it shows you how to install the caddy on. Also it shows you what it looks like and the caddy itself. So let's have a look at it. Other stuff we've got, which is quite interesting, is a leaflet. Fun, cool and informative, that's what it says, and it tells you who do you want to subscribe to, and it gives you a list of their products, Transcend products. And the same again, and this time we've got a solid state hard drive and the sticker with a rev counter showing how fast it is supposed to be. Good thing we are supplied with screws, so we've got in total we've got 2 pairs of screws there. I'll lift this out. We've got a caddy. Nice thing about this caddy, it says Transcend on it, so it's not a generic caddy you get. Pretty good. I'll keep that for another project, but it's got the screws, so we keep a hold on that, but I'm not interested in that. I'm actually interested in the very product itself. So packaging, it's got wrapped around. Let's see if we can get it out. We're in, and this is what it looks like. It says Transcend 6 GB per second, that's what it means. And on the back it's got a solid state drive, the model number, and obviously it's made in Taiwan. Put this over, way into the product itself. Let me just slide it out, anti-static packaging here. Oh, it feels very light, guys. This feels really light, and we've got the connector there. It's got nothing more, it's got no mechanical hard drive, it's a solid state. I'm going to just put this in my laptop and see how fast it boots up. So hang on for that video, guys, but that was the Transcend Solid State Hard Drives SSD 340. Got any questions, just point down and just put them in the box and I'll answer your questions. But anyway, thanks.